Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into these coins, which is I'm thinking right now, guys. It's best time for re-entry. Because remember, guys, I've been quiet since double AF, or you call if, wherever you call, or if FA. So people call FA. Some call if, but let's dive in the technicals, and I'm taking you into the short term and also the long term time frame. So yeah, and the long term time frame. So yeah, let me leave over here. So this is the downtrend after we crashed all the way to $114, and since then we bounces. We had this nice uptrend line, so I can draw this one. So it was a huge uptrend line after we came that bottom, and then we had this cool down, and you see we started another. So was the uptrend support, and then we had this downtrend resistance, and then we broke out and we tested. So remember this one, it's 4-hour charts. Also, let me come down here. So on MACD, let's see what's going on MACD on 4 hours. So on MACD, we have this signal pi. Remember, we had another pi here. When it pushed up, and then we get a signal pi. We saw how the MACD is doing. We had this one after hitting this bearish candle, and then we confirm, and then because some people are still buying deep, we had, and finally now today we are on the right track. So this is the on daily. So this is the daily, and I like the pie on daily. For example, right now we have this a bullish daily candle, which is, let me delete this one, which I've already show you. This is the very important now candles. You see this one, mornings. Is it a morning star? Is it a, let's go, guys, see the types of the bullish candles, and let's see the types of the bullish candles. So you call bullish candles, and because I've been monitoring this coin after dropping from all the way bullish candles, and we need to see if you have. So you see this one. So we start with this one, which is already started very fast. If yeah, you see this one, bullish calving. So we had this one before, and then this one we have right now, like this one, which is already happening right now. And once we have this types of this candle downtrend, we have this one. It's going to be one of. So for example, I will do candle like we have candle like this one. Yeah, we have a candle like this one over here, and let's see that candle, which is I've already say. You see this candle over here. You see, after this downtrend, we have this one, which is already open. So remember, if we close today around 140, open another candle, remember this one is going to be one of the bullish, and I'll tell you what is the market, what's the next target. So let's see if you have another bullish candle which we might be looking. So let's see, we have already like this one. Let's go here to look at another candle which we might be looking today. Yeah, we are opening that one. I like to. So the easy, we saw this one already. We saw that one. Hot. So we are going straight away to watch this of this candle, which is very bullish. I think we have the common bullish candle over here. I think, let me see if I can find out, guys. Take your time. I want to find you something which is correct. So this is a bullish engulf, like we have small candle and then we have tall one like this one, followed by this one, which is very bullish. It's already demonstrating over here. You see these charts over here. We had this one, and then because this one we saw, they call these three engulf, so bullish candle pattern. So you see, and all the way we are going to monitor this one. This is on the daily, and if the daily do like this one, we can follow with more and more candles on MACD. And let's come on weekly over here. Remember, guys, we have already have several. You see this one. If this week we close like this one, this is telling you we have got to stay here almost. This is the third week. We drop this the other week, and this is this week. Yeah, so this is going to be, remember this coin, guys, dropped from all the way from 400, and I'm now starting this year on this coin. Remember this coin dropped all the way. I have some problem with but remember, guys, let's go here. Okay, my settings, I don't know, there's somewhere I press and it's not going to give me the accurate. So let's call this is our, we dropped almost 250. So in symbol, let's say if you call can pack, we are going to hit this coin lost more than so when you go to calculator here, so you do 400, so 400 minus we are right now around 140. Remember, this came all the way. So imagine, guys, you lost 260 or when if you put, because it came to 114 and you see that you lost to over 85, you lost to over. So we go here down here, so we go down here, hit $400 minus 114, you get 186. That's why you see different between 285, 286. Imagine who does that, who missed this one, guy. Are you serious? Do you think this thing is going to? So this is the sum of the level that I was watching around 252, and this 152. Why this cap? Remember on May 2024, on March, this was our top. We move sideways on this coin. Before, remember, we are using weekly before the breakout which happened on August, and since the August is sent all the way. Remember, we have that, we tested, we came another week, we break, we have this like remember I was DC all the way, I was DC all the way from this price, and then this way I started to take my profit. I put around 70 something here. I put all the way. I took some profit here, and I care out between somewhere here because I was watching the MACD. You see, when I saw MACD somewhere here, and I knew it was going to cool down. And right now I'm now this year I'm buying small, building my portfolio. Yeah, so somebody like me right now who is building portfolio, this price is very important, because this thing is going to hit between 185. That's the next target. 190 here. So let me give you the hint. We are going to test this area before MACD signal another sell. So we are going to push all the way here, and maybe we can come revisit some of this this support, which is around 154. Yeah, so remember, bull market is still there so long as Bitcoin holding. So this is the breakout line now. Yeah, let me draw it the breakout lines. So we have these breakout lines which is already happening. Remember, from 400 came closer to hit this area. We rejected, like we bounces faking out, and you see this is a finally breakout right now, maybe. So let's come on a 45 minutes. Let's see on 45 minutes what's going on 45 minutes. Is it 4 hours? Yeah, 4-hour chart. Yeah, this 4-hour chart here. Remember this, it was our downtrend, pushed all the way, break it, folded all the way, and this might be our now breakout. So do you think we can come back towards this area? Maybe not. Nobody can print, and let's see what's other charts telling us. So another chart on AAVE here is telling us that we are targeting around 188, okay, or 180 something. Thanks so much, and have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and see you next video.